Is mis sé Fearghal, is mis sé an múnteoir, múnte an Éamann.
Alastar a cainte. Is minister me. Tá simagumsa Gaeilge le fada.
Is mis sé Jenny. Is Irish me Tama ag fólam Gaeilge.
Jen crack, is mis sé Sorcha, is banaltra me, agus is maithar me.
Dí mar a tétar, is mis sé Éamann, tá me máil ríis, mas máil is míhéid.
Hís.
Hís.
Hís. Huas.
Huas.
Hís seall, huas seall.
Hís seall agadsa anis.
Ní higgam hí seall, hu seall.
Hís down below, shall for a while. Huas up above, shall for a while. So life's like that. It has its ups and downs.
Hís seall, huas seall.
A gol shís, hís ag teachta níos.
A gol shís, hís a teachta níos.
A gol suas, huas ag teachta nuas.
A gol suas, huas ag teachta nuas.
Moishev?
Ní higgam.
Irish is very precise with directions. So going down, a gol shís, when you're down there, down below, hís, and coming back up from down below, ag teachta níos.
Right.
And then going up, a gol suas, when you're up there, up above, huas, and when you're coming back down from up above, ag teachta nuas.
Tegamanish. So, if I was to say to our breeding, come up to me, I would say, gotcha a niece.
Sinead?
Our breeding. She's in the nursery. On the skull, she's Giota Beag.
Nabby buaire, she'll grow out of it.
Emmy lat. And just say our Connell was up a tree. He's wild for climbing. I would say to him, gotcha a nurse.
Sinead? Why?
Cur Gaeilge tree le de hull.
I learned that one from place names. Cran.
Cran.
And Cranog was like an artificial man-made island from trees. And then you have Cranach, the place of trees in the land of Owen, Ciarán. Cranach.
Don't forget his brother Connell, Ciarán.
Moishev. Owen and Connell were both sons of Niall of the Nine Hostages, who came to settle in Ulster, and of course gave rise to the place names Ciarán, Inishoin, agus Ciarán. And then of course that has connections with the great surname O'Neill, O'Neill, descendants of Niall. There really is, you know, a wealth of information like that in our place names. Urkagi or shot.
Seohéad na Ciorcal Leag a ganda hiróin. Síomharsa tá an réamhbheagalaite, agus áit dríochtail agus speisialta at an darlam héin. Is íbhíonn lam an áit seo. Móthaí an chunt mór suúbhneis nuair a thugam cuairtear an áit. Tá Ciorcal Leag bémór site ag gantar dar bhanam an Creagan. Agus tá tanam seo arana farsana, mar cílíonn an focail Creagan áit clotha na Creacha. Tá bainteag an logan an bémór leis an crán bétha agus an áit aráise. Tá sé sáilear an anam sin go bhfuil muid ar seasamh an áitir ó coilmhór sa ar glan na fermarí níl leite é.
Now, where were we? Oh. A gol shís, hís ag teachta níos, a gol suas, huas ag teachta nuas.
A gol shís, hís ag teachta níos.
Moishev.
A gol suas, huas ag teachta nuas.
Moishev.
So, huas deire upstairs, agus hís deire downstairs.
Moihu, sinné. Come on, Éamann.
Tan ketchel hís agam.
Ai ta Éamann a deanúin téanacht. Mas mal is mehet.
Agus couple of brisket le a hall.